Good day, everyone. My name is Miasco John Paul, BSMT 115. Today, we're gonna report the IALA Maritime Voyage System. History of IALA Maritime Voyage System. As recently as 1970s, there were more than 30 voyage systems in use around the world. This caused confusion and accident. It was after two fatal incidents in the Devon Strait in 1971 that the IALA International Association of Marine Aids to Navigation and Lighthouse Authorities was established. There followed a worldwide effort to develop a safe, unified maritime voyage system that could be followed by all vessels at sea. This resulted in IALA Maritime Voyage System, and by 1980 there were just two systems in use, IALA A and IALA B. Although there is not as yet one unified system for the whole world, this was a major achievement. Nonetheless, and the difference between IALA A and IALA B are only minor. The IALA choose the two system in order to keep the number of changes to existing system to a minimum and to avoid major conflict. So in IALA Region A, IALA is used by the country in Africa, most of Asia, Australia, Europe, and India. As you can see, at the port side of Region A is the buoy is color red and the starboard side is color green. The Region B or IALA B is used by countries in North, Central, and South America, Japan, Korea, and the Philippines. As you can see in this video, the starboard side is color green and the port side is color green and the starboard side is color red. This is the world map which we can see the region A and B. IALA buoyage system for mariners. Different types of marks. IALA buoyage system provides 6 types of marks: lateral mark, cardinal mark, isolated danger mark, safe water mark, special mark, emergency wreck, marking buoy. Lateral mark. The lateral mark to indicate which side of the water line is the way followed. The port mark should be kept to the vessel left side and the starboard mark is to the right, to its right. The colors of the port hand and starboard hand are different, which you can see the color is the port hand is green and the starboard is red. Buoy shape, or there could be a cylindrical or can, pellar, or spar. And to the starboard, there are conical, pellar, or spar. The top mark is single green cylinder, and to the starboard side is single red cone point upward. The light color of port hand is green and the starboard hand is red. The light rhythm in port is any part from composite group of flashing 2 to 2 to 1, 2 or plus 1, and the same as the starboard side, which has also the red, but they're the same. So as you can see in this second picture, bifurcation buoy lateral system. As you can see, the region A and region B is different, but it's the same shape but it's different color. So a port or bifurcation buoy mark the point where the channel divided when viewed from a vessel proceeding in the upstream direction and indicate that the preferred or main channel is on the starboard or right side of the buoy. This is the lateral mark. Cardinal mark. Cardinal mark are used in conjunction with the compass and indicate where the mariners may find best navigation water they take. Their name from quadrant in which they are placed. They have the same color and the same shape, respective of region A and B. So whenever you go in region A and B, there is a cardinal mark. There are four cardinal marks named after the four cardinal points of the compass, which is north, south, east, and west. And as you can see, the in this image, you can see in this image that there is north and south, east, and west. Second picture, you can see in the second picture the north cardinal, east cardinal, and south cardinal and west cardinal. You can see the different type of its color and light and shape. First is the north, which is the top mark of north is two black cones, one above the other point upward, and the east is the two black cones, one above the other, base to base, so it forms like a diamond. And the south cardinal, two black cones, one above the other and point downward. So two downward cones and the south cardinal. West cardinal, two black cones and one above the other, point to point. So as you can see, there are point to point cone. Color of the colors of these cardinal points. The north is black above yellow. The east is black, white, a single broad horizontal yellow band. The south cardinal is yellow above black, and the west cardinal is yellow with a single broad horizontal black hand. Shape of buoy: pellar or spear, pellar or spear, it's all the same. Light, the color of all, they're the same color, they have the same color of light, which is white. And the rhythm of their flashes is VQ, which means flash frequency is at least 500 or 120 flashes per minute. And Q flash means flash frequency is at least 50 or 60 flashes per minute. So at the north is VQ or Q, white is VQ3 every 10 seconds or Q3 every 15 seconds. And for the south is VQ6 or long flash every 10 seconds or Q6 plus long flash every 15 seconds. For the west is VQ 9 degrees every 10 seconds or 9 plus every 15 seconds. Q9 every 15 seconds. Next is safe watermark. Unlike other mark that use horizontal shape, this is only marked to use vertical stripe. Safe watermark stripe. Safe watermark does not point to any danger, but specifies that safe navigatable water is all around the mark. Safe watermark are instrumental to mariners as they indicate the beginning of a mark channel. So when a mariners sees a safe watermark on a chart, he should soon realize that he is approaching a channel. The description of the safe watermark is the color is red and white, vertical shape. Shape of buoy is spherical, pellar, or spar with vertical spherical top mark. And the top mark is single red spear. Shape, the light of this is color white, and the rhythm is a face occulting, one long flash every 10 seconds or Morse code A. So next is isolated danger mark. As the name suggested, the buoys are used to mark danger to shipping. They highlight and bring to the attention of mariners any hazard or danger to safe navigation. These marks are erected or moored above the danger to alert mariners of any peril ahead. An isolated danger mark indicates that there is a navigatable water all around the mark. Isolated danger mark. The color is black with one or more broad horizontal red bands. The buoy shape is optimal but not conflicting with literal mark, pillar, or spar preferred. Top mark is two black spears, spurs, one above the other. Light color is white and light rhythm is group flashing 2. Next is special mark. Special mark are used to denote marines areas with special features. They do not play any major role in facilitating mariners in safe navigation. They only point out areas of certain interest of marine interest to mariners. Interest to mariners. The nature of such areas can be found by consulting the charts of sailing direction. Special mark may indicate spoil grounds, military exercise areas, recreational zone, boundaries of anchors areas, cable and pipeline, dead ends, mooring areas, protected areas, marine farm or aquaculture, oil wells, ODAS or Ocean Data Aquatic System, which gathers information about wind speed, pressure, salinity, and temperature. The special mark is color yellow. Buoy shape is opti- optional but not conflicting with navigational mark. Top mark is single yellow X shape. Light color is yellow and the light rhythm is any other than those described in cardinal, isolated, danger mark, and safe water mark. So they're the same. Emergency wreck buoy. These buoy have come into existence much later compared to the other five types of marks. The sinking of the MV Tricolor in the Diver Street in 2002 introduced the emergency wreck marking buoy in IALA buoy system. The wreck was to struck further by two other ships, causing havoc, damage to shipping, and loss of life. Post these incidents, it was immediately necessary to mark such a new danger so that it is readily recognized by the ship as a new hazard and further collision are prevented from occurring. So emergency wreck marking buoy is a yellow and a blue vertical stripe, yellow vertical cross, specific singly new wreck, yellow and blue alternate flashlight. Each flash lasts for 1 second with 0.5 seconds interval. That's all. You're welcome.